Okay, before we jump straight into abstractions, closely related to these are sends and returns. And these are ways of patching data around pure data without using wires. They can allow us to do within a single project, as I'll just demonstrate in a second, but also actually from one project into another. Just to give you an idea what I mean, I'm going to set up a number. Let's put down here. There we go, just put it out of the way. And I'd like this to pick up the value from the attack slider that we created earlier. Now, I could patch from the output of the attack straight into the actual number itself, but that defeats the point of what I'm trying to show you here. Instead, I'm going to use a send. So I'm going to select the object that I want the send to come from, and I want it to come from this subtract option here. So I go Command 1, and I'm going to put in SA, send, and A is the name attack. I now want to pick up from there, so I can bring in another object. So I'll go over here and go Command 1, R, receive, A, just put in the name of whatever the send that is associated with you want to be. And you can see that's got an output. I can patch that to my number. And if I now leave edit mode and adjust this, you can see without actually having a direct wire connecting one to the next, I've actually managed to get the data from one place to another. So these are pretty useful, and we're going to need quite a lot of these for our current synth, particularly as we're going to start making it polyphonic, which is also where the abstractions will come in. So just to get ready for this, I'm going to select the decay slider here, or the subtraction that follows it immediately. Command 1, S space D for decay, and repeat the same for sustain, S, S, and finally S, R. And we'll pick those up and start routing them around in just a moment.